Hey, chat. Is this going to be like this, you fucking piece of shit? I got the spinning circle of death on my fucking Mac. My old one. Which means I can't look at the... Oh, it finally fucking stopped, you fuck. Fucking Pete. Anyway, guys, hey, how's it going? How the hell are ya? How the hell are y'all? What's going on? Huh? Huh? Just so you know, the 50% overtake profit trader is ending today. It's ending. Guys. Oh, all right. Let's see. Am I in this? I'm in here. Am I everywhere? Am I in everywhere I want to be? Yep, I'm in there. I'm in there. I'm not in there, but it doesn't matter. And then I'm in here. All right. So, chat. You guys ready to bank? Oh, man. Hey. No, all jokes aside, I have not lost any trades during my power hour stream in the last like 3 or 4 last 3 or 4 days. If anybody was following me in those trades, which I don't recommend, results not typical, you might have banked. Yesterday was a little sketchy, but it worked out. We actually banked, guys. Anyway, let me show you what I got going on. Nothing with my funded futures yet. I haven't touched these yet. I have not touched those yet. It doesn't mean I won't. I just haven't yet. But we had some nice movement here. It's interesting, guys. It's just so interesting what happens. So here's your high a day. Here's your low a day. You see this fucking wick? I don't know why this happened. Was it some sort of news event? Some jerk off said something and it got posted on Financial Juice? Whatever. Let me just show you where that wick went down to. Okay? You got your high here and you got your low down here. Your low a day. Oh my God. What a fucking coincidence. What a coincidence, guys. It bounced right. Oh, Hurley Earth. What's up, man? Thank you, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it. The DJ family hedges together and banks together. But look where it bounced. What a fucking surprise. Right at the 707, guys. And then we had a bunch of other interesting moves to go with that. One of which was a 618 bounce that I played like a fucking G. Like a fucking G. All right, I'll show you. Right here. Let me get rid of these. Actually, I might get filled here. I kind of want that to stay there. But right here was, I got a lot of fibs on here. Like I got fibs over fibs over fibs. So what I'm going to do is remove all of them. And then we're going to draw some happy little Fibonacci's. And the one I had, which got me this entry here, was this low, that wick, this high, right? And I like this larger time frame and this bigger move for the fib. So I had my order right above the 618. And then I had an order at the 707 and the 786, but we never got down there. And I rode this fucker for 55 points. Actually, it went up as much as 69 points. I had my trailing stop right here. It came back and took me out. But I got $1,100 on that on an evaluation that didn't have a lot of drawdown to start the day, which was this one. This one right here. Do the math. Take $1,100 from 1756. What did I have? Fucking $600, $656. 1756 minus 1,100. Yeah, I only had $656 in drawdown. Now I have fucking 1,756, and the account's at $799. This evaluation with Tradeify. And then I have my funded growths here Yesterday during Asia, I took some good trades right after the Asian Open. I was seeing it well. I was being more patient. That's the biggest thing for me is patience and trusting in, trusting shit. Oh, shit. Apex bringing back the video verifications. Anyone who has a problem with that or is scared with that, then what are you hiding? You know what I mean? I don't know. I don't see that as a problem. I see that as they're cleaning up because there are third-party people. There are third-party services out there. I see ads for them all the time, pre-rolling my fucking shit on my YouTube, saying, we will pass your evals and get you payouts for you. That's why they make you do video verification. More of these platforms should be doing it because those motherfuckers are making it, they're going to fuck us. They fuck us over by doing that. Anyway, these 3 funded tradeifys. Here's the one. Which is the one that was, this is the one that was $150 a day away, and I hit the daily loss limit and lost $2,000. So I got $627 of it back. So we're moving in the right direction. I still have a fuck ton of drawdown. This is one that, this is the one I traded and we banked together on yesterday for the stream. And I got it up another $698. Actually, I did that today. I'll show you that trade. I'll show you all of them if you want to see them. It doesn't really matter. This one, I don't know how many trades this was, but I got 1,050. I think I hit the daily loss limit the first day I traded this. So now we're looking good because 2 days in a row I was green. This one, I think I lost a fuck ton of money, a fuck ton more. Well, that was this one. This was an eval. So all my funded accounts are looking good. Looking good, good, good. All right. So, and then this evaluation is in really good shape now too. Let me see if I can find, oh my God, I might get filled here. Oh my God. We make bank soon, guys. Yeah, we'll see. Anyway, so on this, which one is it? The one that's up 698. 3350. Where is it? I took, and I'll show you why, guys. See, on the larger time frames, oh, choo-choo. You guys, Holy Earth, fuck it. Cut. Carlos. Nice job, bro. That's a really good month. That's an awesome month. Hella profitable. All right, let's see who else is out here. Thank you, man. Thanks for hitting the super chat. Jessica, Romeo, Olisa, Keegan, Willie Trades Futures, Marco. So the DLL saved you, bro. Marco, P. Shenanigan, Armando, TJP, Isaac, Dips and Peaks, Big Tick, Kenny. Oh, Big Tick, bro. I'm sorry that happened, man. I mean, I can't say that's never happened to me. Kenny, NJ, Umar, Cut, Newts. Oh, the asshat video? Yeah, I'll play it. I'll play it. I gotta find it. We want to bank. It probably was Trump tweeting. Maximus, Aid, what up? Dimitri, DK Man, Monica. I like the 707 and the 786. I used to not fuck with the 618 at all, but on larger time frames, I have grown to like the 618. Anthony Jr. Take prop 0DayJ does work for Take Profit Trader. Without a doubt. Without a doubt. Let me see. I'm gonna log into this old account I have that doesn't. Well, hey, can you guys, anybody that's in the Discord or anybody who's on the stream that's in the Discord, I'm not saying to go buy an account with my code. Can you put my code in like you're gonna buy a Take Profit Trader account? It's ZERODAYJAY in all capitals. And take a screenshot and post it in the Discord for me, or confirm, all confirm, one way or the other. Anyway, look. This is, you see this right here? I mean, I missed out on a lot more profit, but it's okay because it was account like, yeah, I could have gotten a lot more. I didn't know it was going to keep going down. But if you look here, watch. Oh, order was at the 618. Look at that sniper entry. Wrote it for fucking $620. Could have gotten a lot more. It went down another 52 points. But I didn't need that much. I could have gotten another 400. Whatever. There's nothing wrong with $620. That account is at 1,448 total, and I have all my drawdown. I can't complain about that. How many trades? I don't even know how many trades I took in these. This is my OG one. I took, it was yesterday, 6 o'clock. I know I was scalping at some point. Yeah, I was long. I was scalping. Caught that for 120, caught that for 30, and then I caught this for 500. I think that was a short, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't remember. Yeah, it was a short. That was this account. That was the account that, I was $150. I was actually $20 away from a payout. And then the one that's where's the one that's up 1,000? 270 was at 340. This one was actually up a little bit more. I had like another $60 or 50, I had another $52. I was at 1202, and I did the math and I said, I'd rather get 50. I'd rather fucking re-get the, I would rather get $50 all over again than have to get an extra 148 on the last day. So I lost money on purpose because of the consistency rule. Anybody posting a Discord? Look, it works. It works. Thank you, Marco. I appreciate it. And anybody else who did it, 50% off. 0DayJ. Sometimes it. I don't know. Maybe it's like a mobile thing. Someone was having trouble with it. Someone was DMing me the other day about it. They were having trouble with it. My code works. Try it on a desktop. Try it on a different browser. I don't know what's going on. Log out, log back in. Clear your cache. I don't know. Delete Take Profit Trader from your browsing history and then start over if you want to support me. If not, I understand. If that's too much fucking work, I get it. But I appreciate you for trying. But there it is. It works. The best fucking code anyway. You know why it might not be working for you? Because Take Profit Trader doesn't want you to have the highest pass rate and the highest payout rate. Anyway, what did I do with this one? Oh, yeah. Long here, got $430 here. And then I fucking longed here again. I got another 410, and then I shorted here. I was scalping, got 285. Happy little trades. I was just seeing it well. I was feeling it. But I also liked this. I went long here for this reason. Probably. Yeah. The 618. But it went down to the 786 and bounced. And then fucking, that was a big move. That was big. It was just moving around a lot. It was an hour after. Oh, shit, I got filled. I don't have the volume on. All right, let's get back to the account that I'm actually in a trade right now, guys. 44. Let's go back. Interesting. Now, what's interesting is, I already did that. Oh, you fucking piece of shit. Fuck! I already had that on there. That high. Dude, what is going on? Can I just draw a fucking fib? It could go lower than the 618 and hit the 707. I've had orders down here basically all day. Yeah, there's a 786 right here from this low, and this high. There's the 786. We're basically chilling at it, but it might go lower. So we might be playing the same fucking game we did the last time, where I'm sitting here in a fucking trade, and it's not looking amazing. Maximus. I think I said what's up. Did I get everybody? Let's see. So Anthony Jr., it should work, bro. Thanks for letting me know. I appreciate that. iTrade. Stephen Cox. iTrades. I haven't. I mean, I'm. Don't worry. I'm heavy in gold, but not in any of my prop firm accounts. I love gold. Alpha Prime, what up? Trader J, Full Tilt, Canute, Just Ain't Right, Mwah. Donzo, Elmi. Took your daughter to school, started college in Pittsburgh at Duquesne. I don't know how to say that, but is it like Duquesne or some shit like that? That's awesome, man. You should be proud. Isaac just bought 4 at work. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Tony Gold. Oh, that's what. Yeah, nobody. Hey, just so you know, Anthony Jr. and anybody else, the code it tells you too right underneath. It'll tell you if you put in the code wrong. I mean, if you don't use all caps, it'll tell you must use all caps for anyone's code, even their in-house codes. V33. Yeah, all caps, guys. Yeah, you're good, Anthony. Don't worry. Someone else was telling me, though, when they were showing me, they sent me a screenshot with my code in all caps, and it wasn't working. It's like, what the fuck? V33, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we've been getting a lot lately during New York is this fucking, like, this fucking cuck range for, like, a while. Hours. We've been in this. We dumped, right? We popped back up, and then we've just been hanging in this range. But there's opportunity in there. You got a lot of fib moves in that type of shit. Thank you, guys. For everybody who checked, who tested the code and or used it, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Tim Morgan, Golf Guy Mike. Are we banking, guys? There's only one code. Yeah. Alpha Prom, I said hi. I said hello. Oates, what up? Alfred. We're going to bank. Handsome Dan. We're going to bank, guys. Eric J. We're all banking right now, guys. Oh, we were banking. I feel like it might come down here. Imagine if Phil's this fucking wick. That would suck. I would give back all of my gains. Oh, shit, it came back. Hey, guys, we're banking again. Hey, guys. Who has earnings today? Who has earnings? Let's see. Oh, is today Jackson's asshole? Tuesday. Oh, no. Jackson's butthole is Thursday, I think. Today, earnings. Today we got Intuit. Intuit, I've seen Intuit move. Oh, we had Dick's earlier. You guys like Dick's? Sporting Goods? I love Dick's. Sporting Goods. Intuit will give you a little something. Anybody who know what time Intuit is after the close today? Tomorrow's NVIDIA. Tomorrow's the big one. And CrowdStrike too. Intuit, Salesforce, and CrowdStrike. Anyway, let's see what's going on with our trade. Are we still banking? Oh, we were banking. We were banking by 7 points. We're still banking a little, guys. Eric J. Nico from Rowange Capital is short right now. I want to stop. Should I be caring about that? Oh, Newts, we're in the middle of banking right now, Newts. ZM has earnings too? Yeah, Zoom. Tory. Tory loves buying going to Dick's Sporting Goods. Jonathan Trentwell. Oh, I appreciate it, bro. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. So I guess you will. Yeah, those 150Ks. Yeah, I know what you're doing. You're playing. You like playing the game of. Well, on that one, it would be like on the new Rapids. Unless it's the old Rapids, the new Rapids, it's 30% consistency. So you could on a 150K, you could do 3,000 a day. I feel like there's definitely a full port. What do they max you out at on a 150K? Oh, well, you're buying these. 10 contracts. That's all. Hey, that's 15 points, bro. You could get 15 points somewhere with 10. I don't want to say it's easy, but you know what I mean. Oh shit, are we banking? I mean, look, this move right here. 213 to 227. That's 14 points. And on that one, you're going for 50%. Because you're playing the 150Ks, which is the original ones, 50% consistency. So you would need 4,500. That's 22.5 points. 4,500 divided by 200. 22.5 points. I mean, look at this drop, bro. This right here alone, 66 to 45. Uh-oh. Fucking 30-minute candle had to be a cuck. It's just 15 points, guys. How hard can it be? Uh-oh, we're not banking anymore. Hang out a sec. We're not banking anymore, so I'm hiding my screen. I'm hiding my screen so you guys can't see my balance. Or my account numbers. I'm hiding my account numbers, guys. All right? I'm doing something special just for Newts, but you guys are going to enjoy it too. It's for everybody. For Newts, though. Because it's worth it. Did it open? Let's go back. Hold on. Let me open my screen up where my trade is. So we can keep an eye on that too.
Let's go, you fucking loser. God, I can't wait to ban your ass. Oh, I'm on the train on YouTube. Give me longer and I'll send it. Bro, screenshot send message x.com/rips, you fucking asshat. What a fucking loser this guy is. Jesus Christ.
Yo. I think he was on his 7th Red Bull when that happened. Kenny. Yo, Kenny was fucking. Hey, Kenny put the dick sign up. Kenny was putting signs up at Dick's. Hell yeah. Where's my eggplant? There we go. we need the splash. We need the splash. Hold on. We're missing a splash. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. You see, guys? Yeah. Oh, man. Anyway. Oh, no. We're not banking anymore. I really do think it's going to come down here somewhere, which kind of sucks because that's like 30 points. I'm in this trade. I'm going to ride this fucker for 30 points in the red. You good? Am I being too loud? All right. She started college. So yesterday was her first day. She's got homework to do. So try not to be too distracted when she's trying to do her shit. Olivier, your broker statement. Yeah, she wants she like when we first were dating, like I mean, she was young when we started dating, but she was like 12. No, I'm just kidding. But she went to school for a little bit and then just was like, fuck that. And then now, we have our kids and shit, and they were all, my youngest kid just turned 15. So like she's like, feeling like she wants to pursue something. So she wants to be a labor and delivery nurse. So she's starting a whole fucking kit and caboodle yesterday. And I support it. Whatever she, obviously. What am I going to tell her? You can't. RM. Can you go one short and another long on Apex evals? I don't know if they allow that anymore. If you're going to do shit like that, do it across different firms. I don't recommend it. Eventually, and also, like, that's why tradeday prop was invented. To fucking prevent people from doing that, to catch people hedging. I don't recommend hedging, but I get why people do it. Tristan, what up? Yeah. That's exactly why. She needs... I need more Air Jordans. Oh, we're fucking banking! We're making bank, guys. You know what I'm saying, RM? I get it, bro. I get it. A lot of people used to do that with Apex. I just don't know if they let you anymore. Oh, look at it. Oh, I wish I wasn't heavier. I wish I added down here, guys. This was the 786. We bounced off of it here. We came down and retested it a little bit lower and then fucking popped. Look, 11. That's 24 points right there. 24 points on the 786 retest. If you were full porting a fucking 150K rapid to get your $4,500. There it is right there. How hard can it be? I'm not saying everybody should do that, but Jonathan Trentwell, that's what he likes to do. And I'm the same way in a lot of respects. Oh, speaking of that, look, guys, I got the other half of this fucking, I got the other half on my take profit trader evaluations, my test accounts. I fucked up the other day. I fucked up yesterday, grabbed new ones, got them halfway up, and then got them halfway up again. The other half. Playing a game I like to play called Half It Smash. Half a smash. Now I just got to get a flip day, and I probably got to get like $5 because of consistency rule issues. One flip day now because Take Profit Trader is now only 3 days to pass. And just so you know, the 50% off any size account, which is good for the life of the account in case you don't pass it and you just let it rebuild, it'll still be 50% off. That ends tonight. So if you want to grab an account, it's 50% off with the best fucking code ZERODAYJAY. Anyway, we're banking right now. I hope you guys took a similar trade. Maybe you got a better entry. But look, here's the 786. We wicked down below it a little bit. I mean, I guess you could say that was the 887, but I don't have the 887 on here. Crank, what up? It does blow. Marcine. You see, guys? I just don't know how much is in the tank. What time is Intuit earnings report? Approximately 4. Conference call at 4:30. Uh-oh. Come on, guys. We need to keep going up, guys. What's interesting is that's a 707 if you treat this as the last high. I want to go a little bit more fucking conservative or aggressive to the upside and treat this as the last high. And there's still more room to go up. But who the fuck knows? What's going on here? The Democrats urge Fed Chair Walsh to maintain the FOMC schedule at 8 meetings a year. Why? Like it fucking matters. They fucking lie through their teeth anyway. Everybody does over there. The International Monetary Fund Managing Director, Georgieva, central banks must be laser focused on price stability. They're laser focused on fucking you and me. All countries need to tackle fiscal problems and present credible plans to ensure debt and deficits are on sustainable paths. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Hoobly ha. NVIDIA earnings is tomorrow. Yes. Clinvale. As a matter of fact, we are fucking green everywhere. And we're green in this trade. We're green on the stream too. If anybody wants to make sure you banked, you might want to put a trailing stop somewhere in this area. Maybe right here. Or unless you want to just go back to break even. I'm going to ride this shit out. We'll see what happens. But I don't know. It's coming back. But we banked. We were banking right here. We had 20 points on this shit. I'm just riding this fucker out. Although I don't know, I might want to lock in some gains anyway. Just so I can say we won another trade on the best fucking stream in the world. Yeah, I'm fucking green everywhere in my Tradeify accounts. I'm green everywhere in my Take Profit Traders. And the only other accounts I have right now are these My Fund the Futures, and I haven't touched them yet. I wish I wasn't heavier, but, I wasn't sure. Today, your biggest payout from Apex was approved, and you're out of debt now. Well, that's awesome. And I do remember you because you had like Nicolaus as your first name. It was different. Oh my God, guys! I hope you're still in this trade. Hey, guys, are you still in? You guys still in with me? If you were in my paid Discord, you would have got the signal. I think I'm willing to lock some in. I'm willing to take, oh my goodness. I'll take, no, I want 20 points exactly. It's going to come down and take me out. I'm going to get taken out right here. Maybe I should make, oh my God, we're just going to keep banking. Hey, who followed me in the trade? Hey, Jonathan Trentwell, there's your 24 points. Actually, you only need 22 and a half full ported. There it is. 22 and a half points, guys. Can it get higher than this shit? Damn, this shit is fucking cruising. Holy fuck. Guys, we're fucking banking. Rabbi, Muggs, what up? Guys, we're banking. Oh my goodness, what a fucking trade. Coach Singh, Vero. Do you remember? Do I still remember you? Yeah, you guys are funny. Yeah, I locked it. I locked it here. I'll get 27 points at the bare minimum, which is $540 as I'm in 1 mini. I wish I was in heavier. I said the same thing about this long. Look at this long I took. You see this fucking green line? What a fucking hold. Look at that. 55 points. I'm developing my hold muscles. I'm doing pelvic floor exercises for my trading. Sly Fox. Yeah. Nice little trade there. Now, if you see this low and this high, we just missed hitting the 707. I'm curious if it's going to push through. The 786 is this. Let's see if this is the right. This is actually the VWAP. Yeah, the 786 is right at the fucking VWAP. So I could see us getting up there and then, you know, running into some cuck, maybe even a rejection if it doesn't get through the 707. But I'm going to put an order. I'm going to move my fucking trailing stop up a little bit more. Now I'm locking in 30 points, no matter what. 30 fucking points. No matter what, guys. Uh-oh. There's a 707. It went to the top where this fucking wick is, the bottom of this cuck is, all the top of this shit. Interesting spot for a pull. Look, and I'm probably gonna get taken out. But anybody, hey, if anybody took the same trade because they liked what they saw, there it is. 30 fucking points. $600. Thanks, guys. Thanks, chat. Gian Rich. Romeo. Well, there, look, the 707. This account is now, look at this account now. Now I have all my drawdown again. This was an evaluation that I hit the daily loss limit on and almost fucked it completely. I only had $600 to work with. I got $1,693 today. I'm at $1,393. I would like to pass this today if I can, but I don't know. Look at that. Look at that. 707, guys. Obviously, the fibs don't work every time, but man, how many fucking times do I got to show you examples of the fib working in real time? I just showed you all of these trades I took because of the fibs, including locking in gains, because I was like, shit, if we don't get to the 786, we could pull back here. Look, we fucking just dropped like 20 points. I'm telling you guys. I actually watched a really good. I didn't watch it. I listened to it while I was on my morning walk. Just my style. Hey, I am. We're banking. We just bank. We just took a trade for 30 points. Well, I did. I don't know if anybody else did, but I did. 30 points with a mini. And I got out almost at the top of the move. Got shaken out here, and look what happened. We dropped 20-something points off the 707 rejection. You see, guys, the fucking fibs. The fibs. Pica Nasharika. Yeah, I watched this fucking, I listened to a video while I was walking. It was AI, but it was this guy, I don't know, if some of you guys might know who it is. If I could get this shit to load. That's what she said. Whose daily account do I like more? Right now, probably the Rapid, because it's end of day. But Take Profit Trader still tops for me. I got pushed live so fast with my fund of futures. I'm worried about trying to run accounts up. Mark, you guys, anybody ever hear of Mark Douglas? Oh, Miss Goody. So check this out. This video right here, I listened to, and I think it will be very helpful to a lot of you people on the stream. You guys, a lot of the people, everybody, including myself. It's basically talking about how no matter where you are in your journey as a trader, you are exactly where you're supposed to be. And that there's stages of a trader. There's stages of your evolution as a trader. We're in different stages. So some people are still in the beginning. Some people are further along. There's a point where you get to something called mastery, where you have your rules and you follow them and you execute. And you don't deviate all that much. If you do deviate, it's more of an aberration. You know, it's more of a fucking rare occurrence. I'm nowhere near that yet. I'm probably like, I think it was 6 stages. Here's the link. Miss Goody. Chris trades in Nevada. What up? Oh, Chris Daly. Trading in the Zone is one of his books. I never heard of him, but his video showed up in my feed, and I listened to it while I was on my morning walk. It's a good, and I had a feeling it was AI, but it took all the important things from, I guess, his whole message and put it into this one video, and I listened to it on 2x speed so I could get through it quicker. If you listen to it at 1.5 to 2x, you'll get through it in fucking, 7 to 10 minutes. It's worth it because it'll help you feel better about where you're at, especially if you're not happy with where you're at as a trader, or especially if you're thinking about quitting. Is this a 618 right here? I bet it was. Or a midline? Let's see. Just about the 618. Look at that. He used to be a DGen. Oh, he has disciplined trader? Yeah, that's good. Ms. Goody, someone was asking where you've been. And I said, in the Discord, and I said, oh, she's just hanging out with other streamers. Is that what you're talking about putting on you? I said I've been replaced. Yeah, great. I'm gonna pin this shit. Stock cars and bets. It's great. I'm telling you guys, it's a really good. The message is so fucking spot on for all of us. You can listen to that shit while you're driving. You don't need to watch it because it's just audio. There's nothing to watch. Oh shit. Come down here. Come down here. I mean, shit. I wish it would. I wish I would take it short, but I'm scared to go I'm scared to get in a trade right now. I don't know what we're gonna do here. Let me do this. Let me load this fucker up. All right. And then we grab the link, grab the happy little link here, and then we'll pin this fucker. I think everyone should listen to this message. What's up, Nayo? I don't care where you're at in your journey. So, what are we doing now? Andy, Dolly Parton died? Is that why someone was posting that shit in there? I've heard on, rabbit hole diggers channels that Dolly was more of a Daryl than a Dolly. If you guys know what I'm saying. She was more like Bruce Jenner. But I could be mistaken. Oh. Are we going to pump because of Intuit? But look, we still got fucking a ways to go. I got all these fucking fibs here. I'm going to draw another one. You know why? Because fuck them. That's why. I like this high also. This high I like. We rejected off the 707. I like this high. I think it's going to go to the VWAP at the very least. Man, she could feed nations. But could she? Could she? Those weren't fucking real. Come on. Come on. Oh, there's the VWAP. Yeah. Yeah, they were really inflated. Yeah. That's why I'm saying. Value, what up? Intuit earnings. We got Intuit at like 4:00. What a fucking move. Oh, there's a 786. What did I just say? Do we hold here? Let's see.
Order filled.
Fuck it. Let's see what happens in 27 seconds. It's going to keep pumping. Let's see if we can bank and get to the downside. You also got, like, I've had these orders here too. I've had these orders here all fucking day. This was a 786 from this fucking wick. From this wick to this last fucking high. I have an order at the 707 and the 786, but we'll see what happens here. I might cut this earlier, sooner rather than later, but we'll see. Let's see if the 786 holds. I marketed in like a fucking idiot, but I like that spot. I literally just drew that fib. It might come down here and then bounce. I might as well lock in some gains so I can say we banked again, guys. We're banking. We're fucking banking. Yeah, I need another couple of $115. Oh, I bet it goes lower. Fuck me. You know why I think it's gonna go lower? Because this fucking 786, man, on a larger time frame, on a time frame from, that's like fucking over 4 hours worth of fucking candles. Jessica, you see, guys? No, it was the fucking Marcin. It was the MOC. MOC pump. We pumped. I mean, shit. It makes this fucking trade like nothing. But we came all the way. We pulled back and we bounced off the 618. How many points? 30, 60 points. Jessica. No, honestly, though, I wouldn't follow me into any trades. Look, I hope you guys are still holding. Anyone who liked that spot. I don't know what's going to happen now. We got earnings. Anything could happen. Master Joel P, yeah. You see, guys? Yeah, JC, what up? You see, guys? That was a nice little scalpy McScalperson. We dropped 89, 22 points. I mean, it could keep pushing, though. I would love it to come up here. I got orders. But, man, what a, this was a nice trade. And both of these were great trades. And then we fucking popped even higher. Oh, 786 is holding for now. You see, guys? Oh, we got a tan line break, huh? I see the tan line. Hold on a second. I didn't draw any tan lines today. But I see some tan line. I see a tan line right here. Right there. Wait. And then obviously I could draw another one here. Yeah, I mean, there's your break. Down there. You got this one here. Futures duck. ZB. 35 bucks. 35 bucks per round trip per contract, Alex. The issue is, though, you can't use it. It's not always available. And some firms don't offer it. ZN is like 15 to 20 bucks. ZN is like 15 to 20 bucks. And ZB is 35 per mini, per contract, per round trip. And then you could do, if you want to lose a lot fast, you could do HO. You'll lose like 200 as soon as you get into a trade. You can even do something similar with silver, but I don't recommend it. I don't recommend fucking with silver to do that. Oh, looks like the 786 is holding. For now. I don't know what's going to happen. We're about to fucking, we're going into the close right now. Whoops. $10 seconds. I would love for it to come down here. Oh. It just went lower. It went back to the VWAP. 64 from 89. 25 points. I don't know what's going to happen, though. We got earnings, so this shit could fucking pop real quick. Or it could dump. Either way, I don't know how much it's going to do it with Intuit. Intuit can move it, though. The daily minimum for a Tradeify funded? There is no minimum. The minimum. A growth is, it depends on the size. What size? Let's see. Tradeify. $50K what? Growth to select. It depends. Growth has a 35% consistency rule. But here's the minimums you need. Where is it? Oh, this is just like the payouts. Just the payout guideline. Let's see. Growth funded. Growth funded. I know the 50K growths are 150 a day minimum, but you need to get to 3,000 in profit total in 5 days minimum. Oh man, that short's turning out to be a fucking nice trade. I only got like 10 points of a possible 30, 25. Yeah, it's like Top Step, like Lucid Flex, but that's the growth. That's the growth account. The select, you could do daily payouts. You got to get over a buffer. No problem. Does Style Bender even trade? Who's that? JD and Andre were talking about me. What were they saying today? Pi, do me a favor. If maybe get a clip. If you could find the clip, great. Or if you could like give me a time frame when they were talking about me, so I could find it. Andre's a homie. JD's cool. I'm cool with JD. The only two I don't like are fucking Paytech and fucking Dakota. I'm cool with everybody else there. Dolby Nick, super chill. You got your Lucid Max. I think it's 2,000. Don't lose $2,000. Yeah, I don't like Dakota. I think he's full of shit. I think he has a lot to hide. He hides his fucking balance all the time. And when I asked him why he wouldn't show his balance, he fucking blocked me on Twitter. Hey, bro, just show your balance. They fucking parade you out there like you're God's gift to trading. Show your fucking balance on your live account. Show your fucking account number so people could fucking hold you accountable and keep track of what you're doing. I like Alpine. I think Alpine's legit. Alpine was the first guy I came across in this prop space that made me feel like I could do this shit. Alpine. I think Alpine is the man, personally. But people, not everyone likes me either. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people that don't like me. Hence why I don't have 300 people on my streams anymore. Probably because I got better. Alan, what's up? Yeah, Dakota fucking hides his fucking balance. I don't like that shit. That's all. Yeah. Was he? I didn't know that. A lot of people hedge. More people than you would think are hedging. I didn't know he was. Listen, Fast Track made that shit easy to fucking cash in on. People fucking took advantage of the very lax fucking rules over at Fast Track to the detriment of a bunch of other people who got fucked out of their payouts by, in the millions. Simplistic. I do more Fibonacci. I draw fibs all fucking day. And I still have fibs on like larger time frames. Like, look, here's gold. I don't know if this is going to do anything, but look, we had a little bit of resistance at the 707. This is the low of gold after drop. This was the low after, if I go to the weekly, this was the low after dropping from the new all-time high when gold fucking pumped to 5,700. This was the low. From there to this last high right here, we're at the 707, and we ran into some fucking resistance. We ran into some trouble today. We hit it, pulled back a little bit, got a little bit higher, wicked over it, pulled back a little bit. Are we going to keep going up? I have a feeling because gold just is on. It just feels like gold has a magnet for 5,000 again. But it doesn't mean there won't be opportunities at these levels. And then if I fucking expand this, let's go to the daily. I could move this to, this might not even be the appropriate high. This might be the appropriate high. Or this. What happened with Intuit? Did anything happen with Intuit? Nothing. This was Intuit right here, I guess. I don't know. Cut. 5 looses, 3 my funded futures, rapids, and 1 traders launch. Fuck yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Love to see it, man. Love to see it. Fuck yeah. And thanks again. Awesome job, man. See? I think it's great that people in the DCA gang are fucking winning. It's amazing. We love to see it. What do I think of this new kid, JJ Simon? I never heard of him. But if he's genuine and he's authentic, then I'm fine with it. If he's fucking lying, then I'm not cool with it. But I don't care. I mean, whatever. I never heard of him. He sells courses teaching how to beat props. Good. Maybe there's something in his course that could help you. How much? I'm just curious what he sells them for. Because I'm about to fucking sell courses. I want to get in on this. I'm going to sell a fucking tan line course, not for $6,500, but maybe $6,499. Yeah, bro. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. $20K in payouts in 48 hours with 3 25K take profit. Oh, that's why it's so fucking good. Compile this. What up? More like put some water. Yeah. Yeah. That's a great job, Alan. Fuck, man. I'm fucking green everywhere. I feel like I missed out on this, but the 786 was a nice little drop here. 89 to 62. We dropped 27 points from that 786. But yeah, simplistic to answer your question. Do I trade with the trend? I don't know. I there's days where I just totally forget to draw tan lines. But they're work like they're powerful. Look, we broke the fucking trend. Look, we came back and almost retested it. Now we're going higher. Here it is again. Well, this one didn't retest, but we broke the tan line. The trend is good. I just don't. The fibs are first and foremost for me. Yeah, Traders Forge. You wouldn't be able to do that even with a daily. Stoic, what up? One-on-one is 35K. Get the fuck out of here. Well, I value my time. If anybody pays him 35 grand to learn how to fucking get a payout at a prop firm, send them to me and I'll kick them in the fucking balls. Smoke. I mean, like, seriously, who the fuck would do that? How about you learn how to fucking trade? You can figure out how to trade and do that and figure it out on your own without fucking having to give him 35 grand just by buying accounts and learning how the market moves and figuring out a strategy, how to fucking look for one and that works and stick with it and get good at it and execute for fucking a third of that or even a 20% of it or a tenth of it. Why the fuck would you give that guy 35 grand? Hey guys, listen, you want to get on a phone call with me? I'll do it for fucking $1,000. Doesn't that sound stupid? Josh, what up? He studied quant in college. Like, I give a fuck. I studied quant on the streets. I studied quant in Long Island, bro. 35K. Get the fuck out of here. And I bet he has a whole like application process. So you go to his website, you fill out the application, and then some motherfucker calls you and they say, how much you got on your fucking credit card? Oh, you don't have enough? Well, here's a link to get more credit cards so you could have enough to fucking pay him for this one little fucking phone call you're going to get with him. That's fucking predatory. It's fucking predatory. Steve, big time. Big time. Does he have a fucking broccoli head too? And I'm sure he's cool as fuck. And listen, price is what you're willing to pay to get what you want. If someone's willing to pay 35 grand to him for that, then good for him. Good for him. If someone's stupid enough to do that. Yeah, quantitative. Yeah. My degree is in, oh shit, I did all of my studies for a business management degree and I never fucking submitted my upper division writing requirement. So I don't even have a fucking degree. I got an associate's degree, never got my fucking bachelor's. Guess what? It doesn't matter. I'm profitable. It's the fucking dumbest shit ever. Listen, Kevin, $1,000. I'm going to put it on my WAP. $1,000 for a one-on-one. You get 5 minutes. How much time do you get for 35 grand? What a fucking stupid. So stupid. Computer science degree. Yeah. Yeah, all of that shit is great. How many passes did I take out with Lucid Max? Like 6 or 7. Let me see if I'm still logged in. Yup. One payout, 2 payouts, 3 payouts, 4, 5, 6 payouts, It was a total after fees, after they took, well, not even fees, after they took their 10% profit share, It was a little over $5,000. I'm happy with that. The thing I'm not happy about is the fact that I was up $1,200 the day I blew it, and all I had to do was just stop. That's where, I am not at the stage of mastery. I am nowhere near the mastery portion, because if I was, that wouldn't have happened, but it did. What's going on here? We did go a little higher. We're still hanging around that 786 though, but this might become support right here. This little fucking area. I didn't get to trade my fund the futures at all today. You know what? It's okay. But I did take advantage of that 50% off that they're doing right now, guys. 50% off any fucking my fund the futures account, any size. I grabbed another end of day rapid for 50% off, and I went and grabbed the pro for 50% off, because if I could get 3 funded rapids, that's the max allocation you could have if you're doing the end of days with those accounts. But I think I could have 2 funded something else. Like I think I could have 2 funded pros with that, or a funded pro and a funded builder. So I grabbed the pro. Let's see what we could do. Unfortunately, I didn't get to trade these, but I traded this shit. We did fucking good here, and I traded these fuckers, and we fucking killed it in here. And we banked on the stream, guys. We fucking banked. Scout for the win. Yeah. I am not a master at this point. I'm just a master beta tester. Rector, no degree needed. Exactly. You just listen, Rector, it's really all about self-control more than anything. And execution. It's managing your fucking emotions. It's the mental game is the most important thing. And seeing something, being able to see something repeatedly, and being able to fucking act on it and execute, and know when to cut a losing trade, know when to lock in, shit like that. That's all it is. Sounds easy enough, right? I don't even know. Let's look. Into it. It looks like they did post earnings. They're down 6%. We didn't really get much of a reaction from the market. From the NQ. Yeah. Self-control is the reason why you see me do some of the shit I do, because I don't have it mastered yet. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a master of myself. I'm not a master of myself yet. I'm master exactly. Bowser. He said he trades 20. Good for him. Good for him. Well, he's got no time to trade, really. He's got no time to trade because he's got all these $35,000 coaching students he's got to get on the phone with. It's fucking crazy. Hey, your daughter just got her license. Congratulations. Self-control, Scout. Self-control is almost everybody's biggest issue. Stock cards and bets. I grabbed one of each. Where is it? I grabbed this rapid. You see these are at 50,000. I did these today. I grabbed the rapid end of day, and I grabbed the pro. 50% off. I don't know how many you get. But I do know that you get at least 2, because I did 2 today. And I'm happy with what I did with my Tradeify accounts. Obviously, these are my 3 funded accounts. This one sucks. If let's see, this one's it sucks because look what I did. Where is it? Is this it? No. This one. This is the one that was one. I was literally $20 away from on Monday. I was $20 away. All I had to do was get another $20, and I ended up losing $2,095. I was $20 away from a $3,000 payout in my 4th payout, but maybe it was a blessing because now I have these other funded accounts all looking fucking great. These other ones, hey, this is only up $272 overall, but I hit the daily loss limit the first day I had it, and I got all of it back and then some, right? Because I'm up 272 overall, and I have all my drawdown. This one I never had really an issue with. This is the one I was trading yesterday for the stream, and we banked. We banked, guys. You don't have to pay me $35,000 to bank. And whatchamacallit? I got 700 today, 698. So now I'm at 1,448 bucks. I'm basically almost halfway to 3,000 2 days in. I need 3,000 on this one and this one to get 1,500 each. And this one, I fucking resurrected this one from the dead. This is an evaluation. I got it up 1,800 bucks today. And we did a lot of it. We did 600 of it for the stream. Actually, like 800 or 700 of it for the stream. And then this one, I didn't get to trade. This one's pretty much a goner. But we'll see. Maybe we'll fuck with that one towards the, to finish this day out. I don't need to fuck with this one anymore. Although I wanted to pass this. I wanted to pass this today. Stock cards are best. Yeah, thank you. Michael Giannis, we banked. We banked. Yo, you get 4 uses. That's awesome. Catboy, what up? Magic Man. Would I recommend Take Profit Trader or Lucid when first starting out? I would in the beginning, I would recommend any prop firm that gives you end of day on the funded side. So Take Profit Trader is not on that list because they're intraday on the funded side. They're only end of day on the evaluation side. Lucid is end of day on the funded side. On the pro and the flex. My funded futures is end of day on the builder accounts, the pro accounts, which I don't recommend someone new to trade those either. And they have those rapid end of days. Tradeify, end of day on the growth. They might even be end of day on the hold on a sec. Damn, Intuit's now down 7%. Tradeify. I don't know if the dailies, the selects are end of day on the funded side. Few funded rules. They are. Oh my God. Yeah. Growth to select. Can't go wrong with any of these. And you could choose if you want daily payouts or flex. I would go with the flex option as a newer trader. But the growth is basically the same thing. Growth, Lucid Flex, those are the ones you want to fuck with. You could do Apex end of day also. But I think, Lucid Flex is where it's at. Yeah, they're end of day everywhere. I wouldn't fuck with these instant funding accounts, although, I don't know. 200, I get it. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe one day. I just don't like fucking with them because I'd rather get for 295 bucks. I'd rather get 3 fucking evals and end up with 3 funded accounts potentially. But that's just me. Great Dane. Right now it's 40% off. What's up, Vincenzo? I'm pretty sure it's still 40% off the daily accounts with Lucid. 40% over the dailies with my code ZERODAYJAY. Everything else is 30% off. With my code. The best fucking code. Yeah, 40% off the dailies only. 30% off everything else. That's right. The best fucking code. But yeah, shit. Another fucking power hour stream. And another bunch of wins. Damn, this shit is still going. I got 30 points here and was feeling good about that. Where I'm a little fucking zoomed out. I got 30 points on this, which is great. A great exit too. I got out at a good spot. This shit. Hold on. Let me close all this shit out. I got too many fucking fibs everywhere. But this shit went up another fucking 50 points. Could have banked even more. Is this gonna come up here and fill me? See, it didn't look like the NQ gave a fuck about Intuit, except for maybe this right here. This is what Intuit did to the NQ, if anything. Aren't you tired of winning? Mike, what up? But like shit on these. Now that I have these 3 accounts, which one is this again? 340. Let's look at it again. 340. That's not it. This one. See, I hit the daily loss limit on Friday. Friday was a fucked up day for me. I fucked up really bad. Monday wasn't much better, but 655 in this account. So I lost 1,433. I got back 655, and that's my take profit trader. Those are over the target, so that's cool. I did that also today, and 1,050. So I got 1,600. Let's see. Let's do the math again. $1,705. 1,705 minus 1,433, which puts me up 272. But I undid this. So now I got my second $150 day in. And then the rest of the week, maybe I could potentially, if I push, I could get this to a payout before the month is over. Because if I get it to a payout if I do it on Monday, I'm going to get the money to the 1st. But I'll take that too. I don't give a fuck. But potentially between that one, wow, look at this shit go. That one and these other 2, I could get paid on all 3 of them, and it would be a total of $6,000. All right, look where we are now. Let me draw a new fib. Now that we cleaned up the chart. Let's start from that low, that wick right there. That's the last low and this last high. We're at the 618 right now. Does it push to the 707? I don't know. We're at the bottom of this cuck right here. I'll fucking go short here, I guess. I don't know. It might keep pushing though. I think they extended it for today. Who wants 35K to trade? Fucking crazy, right? Yeah, I don't know when Loose is going to do 50% off again. Who the fuck knows? You know what I mean? This account, I hit the daily loss limit on yesterday, and I got it all fucking back. Look, what number is that? 44. It's just an evaluation, but it's still cool. I keep fucking going to that one. This one. I did 1,000 on this day. Look at that. I did 1,000. Is that the account? Wow. So I did 1,000 the first day I had it, and then I gave back all of that and another $343. Then I got 1,000 back yesterday, and then I did 1,800 today. I mean, that shit could be passed, but I had this fucking stupid fuck shit happen here. Damn, bro. Oh well, whatever. We're looking good. Can't complain. MAGA Musketeer, Granny, please. Thank you. Yeah, so, just going one day at a time, chat. One day at a time. You have a take profit trader free reset credit for some reason? Probably because of a reset credit, or you have like enough rewards points to claim it. Tradeify, yeah, I heard about the Tradeify 300K. It's for what? They're just trying to do something like Top Step did. The account kind of fucking sucks. For the amount of money you got to pay, just get 5 selects or 5 growths. And you could save extra by buying a 5-pack. Just make sure you use the best code ZERODAYJAY. They're 40% off with 40% off if you buy them one at a time. Look, see, we're rejecting off this shit. Look at that. You see, guys? I wish it came up higher though. 40% off if you're buying them one at a time or whatever, with the best code ZERODAYJAY, and you can save even more if you buy a bundle, a 5-pack. Don't waste your money on the 300K. It's not worth it. Fauci, ouchie. 9 to 5. Yo, what up? They're whack. Stock cards or bets. Yeah, this summer's been a little trying on our patience, that's for sure. Mine specifically. I can't speak for anybody else, but you know, I see what people say in the chat, and I see it in the Discord. Some people are losing their fucking minds with this price action. Yeah, I never grabbed the 5-pack. I was always grabbing them one at a time. I could have saved a lot of money if I did that, but whatever. It is what it is. Damn, it's fucking 4:30. Yeah, 150Ks are great. The 150Ks are nice. I don't trade with them personally, but the 300Ks, I just see those as a distraction. They're not even that good. They're just not that good. I think you get $6,000 a drawdown. Fuck that. Investors, what up? There's no reason for that shit. Yo, hey, keep doing it, bro. Keep getting your money. I don't care where you get it from. So far, we rejected off of this, and we're down 13 points. Not a huge fucking move, but it's something. I wish I got in. I just didn't want to give back any gains on this. And then this one only had $437 of drawdown, so I didn't want to get caught with it going up another level. That would have been enough to blow it. So I'm just kind of chilling right now. It doesn't mean I'm done. I got 15 minutes on these fucking Tradeifys. Let me go to the other one. Let's see what we could do on this. Oh, I got open orders on this shit. Well, whatever. If it comes up here, I get filled. If not, it don't matter. Clean bail. Hey, let's do it. Hey, let's play this shit again.
Let's go, you fucking loser. God, I can't wait to ban your ass. Oh, I'm on the train on YouTube. Give me longer and I'll send it. Bro, screenshot send message x.com/rips, you fucking asshat. What a fucking loser this guy is. Jesus Christ.
Oh my God. Imagine talking to you. Yo, I wonder if that kid that charges $35,000 talks about the guy that just paid him $35,000 like that. Yeah. Hold on, chat. I mean, I'm not going anywhere. Just hold on. Trust me. Oh my God.
Oh, isn't there a flatten all button, dude? Okay, I'm in Apex. Where do I go? Help! Fuck! You guys are so fucking annoying. Where's the button?
Bro, lay off the crack, son. They don't have a 5 payout cap? I don't know what it is, man. I don't know what it is, but it's fucking. Imagine me talking to you guys like that. I'll tell a hater to go fuck themselves, you know. Especially someone that's just on here to be a fucking jerk off and waste my time and take away, just be a vampire of my energy, like in a negative way. I'll tell them to fuck off. But I'm not going to do that. That's just crazy. Where's the like button? Smash that shit for Trevor LeConte. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Oh, by the way, if you're not hanging out in the best fucking community on these prop firm streets, here's the fucking button. Let me drop the link in the fucking chat. It's free for now. We do giveaways in there. You should get in there. I plan on doing more. I was doing them every 100 members, but like, I don't know. It's just been the growth on it has been very stagnant lately. But it's okay. We're still hanging at like 1,540 something members. But there's the link. It's free for now. Where's the bank button, Alexander? Someone else posted that in the Discord. I just have them. Ripsy Hustle. Is that what he calls himself? Ripsy Hustle? Why doesn't he just call himself Alexander? Isn't that his name? Oh, wait, we're not allowed to talk about that. Alexander, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it, man. He's obviously doing something right because he has a fuck ton more people on his streams than I do. Oh, by the way, I'm probably going to be streaming later. I just don't know exactly what time. Just make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it when I go live. Or join the Discord because I always post when I'm going live in the Discord. People like that shit. People like being talked down to. People like not knowing where the fucking entry is or the account numbers that are being traded. People like watching other people never get payouts from the prop firms they trade, specifically Apex. Probably 90% bots. I don't know, man. You're good, crazy trader. I might ghost you and say new Discord, who this, but hit me up to claim your free account that you won. Yo, where do you live, stock, cars, and bets? Bro, our fucking our zone, our upstairs zone, the fucking fan stopped working. Bro, it got so fucking hot. It was June. It was in June. It was so fucking hot up here. Bowser, yeah. Before he got in trouble. I'm pretty sure, like, I don't know if he's married. I'm sure his wife still calls him by that name, by his birth name. I doubt his wife calls him Ripsy Hustle. Yo, Alexander, there's a guy. He wrote a book. I forgot what the name of the book was. The Millionaire Mind. T. Harv Eker. You should call yourself T. Alexander. The T standing for the one and only. Small Nipsey Hustle. Money laundering. Short full port 2 nanos here. it does look like it could potentially. We got some support. We got support right here. We got support right here where we're at. I don't know. This shit just stopped moving. I'm running out of time too, but I wouldn't mind giving myself a little bit more breathing room on this evaluation that is almost fucked. Yo, isn't the daily loss limit? What's the daily loss limit? The daily loss limit is $1,250. I got slipped so fucking hard yesterday. I lost more than $1,500 on this account. And it wasn't even like moving super fast. It was fucking so fucking annoying. That's what it was. What's that number? 814. Where is that fucker? This one right here. This shit let me lose $1,563. And the daily loss limit is supposed to take you out of your trade at $1,250. It let me lose another $313. So this fucking account is not looking great right now. Doesn't mean I can't fucking bring it back from the dead, but shit's fucking annoying. What time of day do I start? Start what? Trading? It depends. D. Dushad. I don't know if I said that right. I apologize if I didn't. But I don't trade the open. I'm on the West Coast. I'm on specific time, PST. So I don't fucking, although I'm awake at that time, I'm usually still laying in bed with my wife and fucking snuggling. True story. But anyway, at that point, I'm not trying to get out of bed, like, oh, I got to trade the open. I don't give a fuck. I trade what's in front of me when I can trade. I do like to trade. I do usually start looking and trading around. Oh, this shit, man, look at this. This shit's holding. Look at that. 16 points. I'm trying to think. Around like 8:30, 9 o'clock my time, which is 11:30, 12 o'clock Eastern time. And then like I trade during power hour. You guys see that. And I trade during the overnight, but not a lot. And I try not to as often as possible because I haven't been seeing it well. I saw it really well last night. I got so last night I got 698 in this funded account, 627 in this funded account, and like 84 bucks in this. I was like, I'll take that. I got to go anyway. And I left it like that. And then I got another 1,000 basically today. I did this today. I did 700 plus of that for the stream. Oh, I did this yesterday as well during Asia. But I don't know, I've been getting killed on Asia a lot of times. Although my biggest fucking pad I've ever gotten was during Asia with my Take Profit Trader accounts. It was this right here. I got $3,185 times in all 5 of my accounts and pushed my shit $2,603 over the buffer. And I requested every last fucking dollar to the buffer. That was a fucking amazing day. That was last month. And if you do something once, you could do it again, guys. So I know I could do this again. I just don't know. I don't know when. It's got to be just the right set of circumstances. And maybe the right set of fucking tilt. I was already pissed off about fucking myself out of bulenox payouts. But if that didn't happen, this wouldn't happen. So, damn, this shit is dropping nicely. Fuck me. 24 points. I knew I should have taken that short. I hope somebody else liked it and took it. Somebody else is probably banking. Dips and peaks, yeah. Coach Fred, if you have issues with evaluations. Oh, it's the worst being hot as fuck like that. When the AC's busted, at that point, when our top zone, the top, the top floor where all of our bedrooms are, where all of us sleep, it was so bad that we all slept on the couch in the living room. And we have a couch in the living room, and then we have another area we call like the conversation pit. There's a couple of steps down, and we got a couch there. That's where Jacob hangs out basically all day. There's a fireplace or whatever. So we were basically sprawled out on all the couches down on the first floor because the second night it was fucking awful because it was already 100 degrees over here. No problem. Any giveaways today? No, not today. Because I got to bounce soon anyway. This shit is still fucking going down. I'm going to put an order. I'm not going to have time. But fuck it. No giveaways today, but we'll do some soon. Don't worry, guys. Well, we did have a bunch of people hit the super chat today. You know what? We'll give away something. We'll give away one of those $50 to make them holla 25K Lucid Flexes. Those are cool. We'll do that after. Well, I'm not going to tell you exactly what time. We'll do it soon. Sometime between now and when I get off the stream. So stick around, guys. What does Tradeify have? $59. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I just don't like $1,000 of drawdown personally. It's doable. Yeah, there's some support. I don't know if it's gonna hold though. Cut. Tell him cut. Drew, what up? Be good, stock Carson Best. Thanks for popping on. Uh-oh. Yeah, see, I'm out of time. That would have been nice. 84, 16, and 12. Oh, shit. It dropped from 13. 29 points. 30 points. 30 fucking points, guys. That's a nice drop. I just didn't want to give back any gains on this, so I fucking didn't pursue it. I liked it, and I didn't want to fucking, I'm treading lightly on this shit. I wanted to give myself some breathing room, but now I'm out of time. Out of time. Wow. See, look, I got what? I mean, I'd be done anyway. I bet this is a 618. With this as the last high, obviously, and then this is the last low. Oh, what a fucking surprise, guys. It's 618. You see, guys? I don't know if it's going to hold here, but, I mean, fuck. That was a nice drop. 81, 32 points. 32 points. Yo, Pi. Bro, if you could please, if you could like give me like the roundabout what time it was when you heard them saying my name on their stream today. Was it today? You said that JD and Andre were talking about me on the Top Step stream. Just let me know like around what time, and I'll go look for it. Unless you know exactly when it was, post a clip in the Discord. Tristan. Shorted 4 minis at 308. Great job. Oh, man. $26 points times 80. Yeah, that's a nice little 2,000 fucking banking. We're still going down. Oh, that's what they said? Oh, nice. I'm not going on there. Yeah, what time was it though? I want to find it. Yeah, I got no issues with those guys. None. Is it going to undo that pump? I mean, you think it's going to come all the way down here? It could. Here's the 786. What a fucking move, guys. 74 now. 40 points. 40 points. Fucking amazing. 618. It's a much larger time frame. We actually rejected off the 618 once before. It retested it. We rejected off of it here, down this way. Came back up a little bit, went a little lower, and then we retested it here, went a little bit higher, but it held. And I'm talking from the low here on this wick that dropped, not the low a day, but that last low and this last high right here before that. Came up to the 618 twice. Well, what happened, Pi, was I was on the show like once a week for like almost, it felt like every fucking week for like 3 months. I was on there 11 or 12 times. and then all of a sudden I never heard from them again. And on top of that, before they turned into I never heard from them ever again. And it's not because of those guys, it's because of Paytech. Didn't like my trading style, even though I fucking won a fuck ton on that shit. I'm not saying I'm this great trader, but I definitely traded better than most of the people they have on there. That's for fucking sure. And if you do the math on all the trades I took, I was green overall on all the trades I took with them. Just people would always cry about how I traded in the chat, like cried like fucking crybabies, little fucking bitches. That's gambling. That's not trading. I bet the same fucking losers would say the same shit about me today. And I'm a year removed from that. I'm a year further along in my journey. I got another year of seasoning in me. And some dumb fuck would still say shit like that on there. Yeah, D-Walk, exactly. I guess my way in. That's like the first thing I said the first time I was on the show. I was like, yeah, well, I just guess my way in and I guess my way out. Stacks. Yeah, and I got put, yeah, that was the other thing. I got put in the responsible trader program. No, that's not what it was called. Before they had that, they had the focus trader program. I got put in that because they didn't like how I was spending my money. I was blowing too many accounts or whatever. So, and at that point with the focus trader program, that was in June. This is like a month and a half after they fucking stopped inviting me back. There was something else that happened. I'll tell you about that too. But whatchamacallit? Yeah, the focus trader program happened in like the beginning of June. And that's when you get put in that, you're only allowed to trade one account and you have to ask support for permission to get it. I had to be like, pretty please, can I have my focus trader program account? And I was never gonna fucking do that. I don't need someone to tell me how to spend my fucking money. Just like I don't tell you guys how to spend yours. And then on top of that, let me show you. Look.
How you doing, man? You just took a couple payouts recently. Congratulations.
Sure did. First of all, thank you for the speedy payout. I requested my payout on Thursday. Money got pulled out of the account. I had 2 XFAs I got paid on. It was a combined total of $3,181. Money got taken out on Friday, and then Monday morning, the payout hit my bank account. It was already in there. So last month, I did $4,738 in payouts for Top Step. So that was
Nice.
I don't know if you guys ever heard of this. There's a mental condition called PPDS. There's a lot of studies on it. It's called post-payout degenerate syndrome.
Oh.
And what happens is right after you get a payout, and the money comes out, you find a way to smoke the account. And that's exactly what I did with those 2 accounts.
All right, so that they posted that on Twitter, right? That seems pretty harmless, right? This was after like my last appearance. The last time I was on the show, which by the way, was a great fucking segment when I was on it. I was on it with Cove. We were on it together. Great segment. So much better than all the fucking shit they have on there for the most part. Most of the shit they have on there. Especially at the time. That was the last, we never were invited back. And Paytech, that was the only time Paytech ever came on the stream with me or him or the both of us. He was there to supervise. Didn't like how we were trading, even though we won our fucking trades, right? We took different trades at different spots. We all won. But he didn't like it, never got invited back. And then this gets posted like a week or 2 later, and it gets someone tells me about it because I saw it. It's like, oh shit, I'm ripping this thing because it's cool and I'm going to post it on my social media. It gets taken down like an hour later. And I hit up Nick and I was like, yo, I'm just curious why that got taken down. I was like, and he's like, I don't know. But I liked it. We liked it. That's why we posted it. Which the only thing that tells me is that Paytech told him to take it down. So fuck him and fuck Dakota. So that's the whole story behind Top Step. But shout out to fucking Andre. and JD and Dolby Nick, all the people that were on any stream that I was on with them, those guys, everybody I dealt with behind the scenes was super cool. Paytech, I don't like him. He also invited us to HQ. Like, yeah, we'll have you come down to HQ, all this shit. Sounds good. Like, I didn't ask to go. I didn't give a fuck. I might not have even went. I probably wasn't going to go because I don't like to go anywhere really unless I have to. Personally. You say that on the stream in one side of your mouth and then on the other side of the mouth, you don't ever have these guys on again. Don't ever have ZERODAYJAY on. We don't want his type of trading to be, to influence other people or whatever he said. So fuck him. Don't talk out of both sides of your mouth. I don't like that shit. Anyway, that's what happened. That's the combination of things. And again, I don't like Dakota. I don't think he's a bad person. Just, if everybody's going to parade you out there like you're this fucking hotshot trader, show your fucking balance. That's all. It's not that big of a deal. Show everybody where your balance is at. It's not that big of a deal. I have no problem showing everything. I show it all. The good, the bad, the ugly, this shit. I don't care. Look, I lost $2,000 yesterday in my fucking best account with Trade. I don't give a fuck. I blew my live account the other day. I think I posted on Twitter. I'm pretty sure I posted on Twitter. You'll never see him fucking do that or show his account number. Yeah, there it is. There's my fucking Lucid Live. Anyway, give me a number between 1 and 111. Right now. One number one time, please. Fallacy. Tyler. Nah, Stacks. Those guys were super chill. Dolby Nick, JD, anyone I dealt with, like, having to do with me getting on there and shit like that, or anybody who was on there with me, was super cool. They're still talking about me now. I just wish I knew what the timestamp was because I don't know if I want to sit through the whole fucking thing just to find out what they said. Tyler. Tyler. Hey, Tyler. I watched that interview with you on Titans of Tomorrow. I like that shit. Very nice. Now I know all your deepest, darkest secrets. We bounced. Oh, look at that. Went a little bit lower than the 786. If I expand this a little further, I bet this low. Yeah, you know what? I wonder why we bounced there. Probably because she had some support here. This wick. But yeah, that was a nice move down. I mean, shit. 68. 32 and 30. Shit, almost fucking 40-something points off this 618. Very nice. Oh, G Money, that's a good point. Yo, that's a great fucking point. I forgot how fucking awesome AI is. Good fucking point. I'm gonna do that. Bounced off the VWAP on the 5-minute. Just missed hitting it here. It's in the same spot. I just missed it on as far as my trading view is concerned. My VWAP is still at 62. The VWAP. All right. Damn, my fucking niacin is kicking in right now. I'm fucking feeling it. I got to start taking some screenshots of these numbers. Great footwork, coach. Yeah. Guys, footwork. Guy might as well have fucking lead for fucking feet. Hey, but good for him for fucking, hey, that's how he stays in shape. I respect that. That's how he wants to stay in shape. That's great. It's not easy. Boxing's hard. Anything worth doing is always going to be hard. I just like making fun of him because he's a fucking prick. And because I'm petty, you know, whatever. I'm petty. Trump has ordered, yeah, I'm gonna go move my flag down right now for Dolly Parton. Like I give a fuck about Dolly Parton. Coach Fred, I think so. That's what I've been hearing. My name came up today. Maximus. My name came up recently, like a few weeks ago too. Over there. That's right. Say my fucking name. Did I? I think I did. Let me see. I'm fucking losing my spot here. Also, if you win, here are the only ways I can pay you back. Because you're going to have to grab the account using my code, the best fucking code, ZERODAYJAY. And then send me a copy of receipt via DM through Discord, and I can pay you with Zelle, Cash App, PayPal. If you don't have any of those three, but you have Venmo, I'll do Venmo also, but I'd rather not. I can only pick it up in person. Fly out to Vegas. All right. Three, two, one. Good luck. Golden Corral gift cards. Andy, I got you in there. 41. Who has 41? I feel like I saw a 41. Oh, a couple of motherfuckers. Oh, shit. Cut. You got like max allocation everywhere, bro. I don't know what we're gonna have. We'll do something though. We'll do something. We'll figure it out. And O'Brien rules. O'Brien rules. All right, hit me up, guys. Well, Cut. You already got me. You're already in the Discord. Cut and O'Brien rules. Congratulations, guys. What you won was a 25K, the $50 Lucid Flex, the 25K Lucid Flex, the one that's $50. But if you want to splurge if you do it today, we could do a 25K take profit trader today while it's still 50% off. Grab the account, send me a screenshot, blah, blah, blah. And I'll pay you back. PayPal, Cash App, Zelle. Use the best code, ZERODAYJAY, obviously. You guys know that. But congratulations, guys. Congratulations. I'm going to bounce. I will be on later. I just don't know what time, but I will be on. All right. Smash the like button. Yeah, me too. I'm glad you found me too. Not just because you found me, but you found a bunch of awesome, a bunch of other awesome people who hang out in the chat. I don't know if you hang out on other streams or anything like that, or hang out in Discords, but it's nice to not, to feel like you're not the only one doing this shit. Especially if you're trading with prop firms. If you want to hang out in the best community on these prop firm streets, here's the link. It's free for now. All right, guys. Zoe, thank you. You do the same. All right, guys. I'm going to bounce. Smash the like button on your way out. Subscribe to the channel. All that good shit. Hit the notification bell. I'll be on every day for the rest of the week for Power Hour, 2 and through close, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. And I will be on later. I just don't know when, from an undisclosed location. All right. I'll talk.